Uncle, 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 my sponsor, my sponsor, my sponsor.
Who's that calling me?
My sponsor.
Oh, Keshia.
Good evening,
So,
sir.
Keshia, what happened to you now?
Yeah, God, oh.
Samantha
just
bleach.
drink bleach.
Then pick me till
Samantha
I drink
just drink
bleach.
bleach.
Eh? Then there's something you was to
hold that
want
door
from
and
your
wash.
little picnic. A
I
civilized
never have
time now,
nobody to
where
stay
people
with
more careful.
Samantha.
Me never know picnic till I drink
So
bleach.
baby asleep.
That
Samantha
I
look
must
like
careless, so careless,
she
man.
left front
Because
side and me
me
can't
can't
throw me
believe
and
in
wash
this day and age picnic till I
I'm
drink
in the
bleach.
TikTok at the same time
I know
when me
every
a
day when
wash.
you hear them attack
So me
and say
never see
bleach fi put up
Samantha
in a
move front
safe
side of
place.
me. And Samantha going to the house.
You are right, yeah.
Don't drink
You are right.
bleach.
I just see me going no.
And when me cut in live,
Spread
me
them
going to
legs.
hospital,
I
Samantha
just see me
lie
you no must know.
I'm smelling bleach,
Fi operate, fi look after the picnic them when you don't have them. See you know you can spread your legs and you can go every party, every drum knock.
Yeah, me not even have no money. Me don't have no money.
You a borrow money from me.
Me just
A pension me a collect when you don't get
me
money
not
from.
have taxi fare.
Fi
Me
lend
don't
out.
have children.
You don't lend money unless you have money fi lose. And right in a my pension stage, you know, where government not even a give a heap of money for pension. We don't got none fi lose.
Oh, me don't know what he say.
I don't have it.
Oh God.
I don't have it.
Oh God. Oh God.
The only reason why me I going to pick you up and lend you are through me this I read my Bible. I'm now one upset God, you know. I hit make me I go lend you me money, you know, Keshia hit make me I go lend you me money because
no money.
you would like to know how me have to stumble and how me have to grown. We have a little pittance put up on the mattress here, you know.
I want $2,000. And it look like Samantha father TV 2,000.
Because from the bank you change out, then start the card. Me don't put on money in a bank again because me no have time to go farm line. In them the long line, then a son has to go collect our money. And I don't like me enough money to go collect. So if you go collect $1,000 and $500, you better me keep your yard. It don't make no sense. Me can't go put on a bank. That now make sense for me whole Bubaya go turn up in a line to collect $1,000 and $500 every road me want run go buy me piece of chicken back. You're lucky. You make me see that. If me
still find me don't know how I find
me should even make you see which part me I put on my money.
Oh, I don't know. If
you see it there.
Can lend me there. Lend me one money there.
Let me see how much this.
Me try get it back here when me go to market or somewhere.
Then how much you want?
And here back. Ooh.
Well, make me call Mr. Reed taxi for you there. Make me call Mr. Reed. Hold on there, make me go get my phone for call Mr. Reed. Hello, Mr. Reed? You there on the road, sir? We have a serious matter down at the yard here. One young girl come here and say she a borrow money from me for her picnic go a doctor because picnic drink bleach. So if you're there near, see if you can reach down at the yard, you feel me if you come hurry up and carry the picnic go up her children's. Because she said she no got money and she no got nothing at all. She did want $2,000 and it look like a baby father thief he gone buy weed. Because me no know how them the young girl they no find sensible man and spread out for. She take up weed man. So she nah work nothing and the man nah work nothing. Every collect she collect one little money pan TikTok and when she go a market go sell now and then it look like a hit she put on the man TV. But me now go get into that. That are people business. So make me leave that. Hurry up and see if you can come. So how far you there now?
3 mile.
Alright, you hurry up. Come in one who no liar to. Uno taxi man. We say uno there are 3 mile when uno do clear at town. So you make sure you hurry up. Because I don't know another taxi number right here now. Mm-hmm. Alright. Mm-hmm. Well, Mr. Reed said the pan anyway. So all and all you have to do is sit down and wait. Oh, you're lucky.
Thank you, my sponsor. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. They had me tar. They had me the baby. They had me the baby. They say me lucky. Me lucky if me did spend 5 minutes more, she would not make it. Oh goodness, thank you, sir. Afi, thank you. Hey, thank you. No, I no careless, me careless. No, I no careless, me careless. Me just try the penny hop. It TikTok hot there. I see if me can make a money because true not now go on more than so I no careless, me careless, sir. You don't know the thing go already. Alright, thank you. Me have to go back down there, Evelyn, go see what happened to her.